All right, another step complete. We put the ends on. We ended up doing double layer here. I wanted to get it high enough so that it's even across here. We also put this aluminum strip on. This is some aluminum I had saved. I think I mentioned it earlier. So that kind of gives the whole thing a nice edge to the playing surface. So we have a nice edge protection. So you can see what it looks like here. Now I didn't put plugs in these yet, but maybe when we're done we'll put plugs in there. I think the next thing I'm going to do is put our piece across here. Now I have to put a slight groove in it to accommodate the different width here. So I did have to, so there is a gap here, but that's okay. It looks fine. Looks good. So we'll get this edge on, get that edge on, and then we're ready to flip it down, and then we can work on this side right here, and that'll be our last side to complete. Really looking good.